How's it going, traders? I know some of you guys are a little scared at this move. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Those of you who are trading with us on this channel and you guys are following us on the website at tradeconfident.io, this is where we get the most excited because as the price goes down after our entry, every buy limit we hit, we get a better risk to reward ratio on the trade and we get a better buy entry every time we go down. I know it's probably going to blow some of your minds. You're like, what? I'm losing a bunch of money right now. Nope, not if you're trading on this YouTube channel and you're following us over at tradeconfident.io. Make sure you guys are signed up here. By the way, really quick, me and my wife have been having fun today. We went out and we enjoyed some of our profits. So we went golfing today. That was super fun and did a little Starbucks run at Target today. So we're enjoying our profits that we're making from all the calls on this channel. So make sure you guys go over to tradeconfident.io and make sure you guys are following the updates. I did a ton of updates today on a lot of these coins. I moved some buy limits and sell limits. So make sure you guys are watching that. Okay, I have to point that out because it works. It's perfectly correlated with the videos. What I talk about here is all over here. Make sure you guys are signed up. Okay, let's get into it. So I'm looking at this trend dashboard and the point of this video is, are we going up, are we going down, and how low can we be going? Like I've mentioned in this morning's video, all red down arrows on the trend dashboard means that people are looking for sell positions. It's standard. You hear this over and over again. The trend is your friend. When the price is below the 50, 100, and 200, we are only looking for sell trades. That is preached over and over in crypto, stocks, and Forex. It's nothing new. Guess what? That's exactly what's happening on the chart right here. People are shorting, but people are also selling at the same time. That's what's creating this big drop. I want you guys to look at this price versus well money flow indicator here. I saw that a few of you guys purchased it today. Great job. I will be up in the price. I promise you that because it's too cheap right now. So take a look at this. This is what you guys need to be watching for those of you who just got it and those of you who will. We need to see this green line, which is the well money flow. We need to see the well starting to pump money back into the market here in order for us to have some hope to go back up. All right. If the price and the green line start moving down together, that is a bad sign for those of you guys who want it to go up. A move down with price with a move down of the well money flow is a strong indication we are going to drop and we're going to drop fast. Okay. This is the sign I was looking for this morning I was looking for if we could see a move down on the pink line, but we see a strong move up on the green line, that would mean the price structure is moving down, but the wells are strongly buying the dip. Well, that's not happening. That's what I was looking for, and this is why you guys have the indicator on your chart so you can watch it when I'm off the videos. We are moving down pretty fast here. Let's take a look at the trend exhaustion. We are down here at the bottom, and yes, we have seen almost every time we've been down here, follow my arrows up here. We see that little jump there, follow this up here with the arrows. We saw a little jump right there. We also saw a jump up here in the price, just a little bit there. And so I'm actually expecting, if we head down a little bit further here, to see a little bit of a jump back up here. Now, a lot of trades that I've been calling, you guys are very close to getting triggered in. I have not yet been triggered on ADA, but we are so close, guys. I want this price to drop because okay, I have to point this out. Those of you guys who are not following this channel, you guys are probably having your money in here and you're nervous because the price is going down. I'm being real about this. Everyone who's trading with me on this, and especially myself because I've traded for a while, I love it when the price goes down. Here's why. It's because every single buy limit I hit and as the price goes down, my risk to reward ratio on all these trades that I'm showing you guys gets better. My risk reward gets better and my buy entry gets better every single time the price moves down. Like, I am sorry if this hurts some of you guys' feelings, but I want the price to go down because I'm going to get a better entry and I'm going to get picked up even lower for a discount on Bitcoin. That's why people are following this channel. They're subscribing. You guys are following my trading strategy because we don't care if the price goes down. I am honest when I say this. I want the price to go down. I know some of you guys are nervous out there and you're losing some money. Switch over to this strategy if you would like, not financial advice, and you'll understand why I get excited. Okay, so let's wrap up this video here. I told you guys in the title here that we could hit 19,700. Let me cut to the chase and prove that to you guys on the chart here. That's not clickbait. Let's get real with this here. Doesn't matter who you talk to. Go talk to someone. Well, I'm sorry. Doesn't matter. Actually, it does matter. Talk to someone who knows their technical analysis and someone who's been trading for a long time, and they will tell you this. This is structure low on the chart. It's 28,750. We'll call it 50 instead of 49. All right. This is associated with the second buy limit we have in the chart here. If we drop below this point, the only other catch point that is a strong structure is down here at 19,700. That is why I say we could drop here. Now, some of you guys are like, nope, we're never going to hit that. It's never even possible. Well, let me tell you this. There was a bunch of people who said, no, it's never possible that we're going to drop down this far. I know people, YouTube channels that were calling a pump up here to the moon. And I'm not going to lie, I was on board with them a little bit there until we started seeing this drop out, and nobody thought we were going to drop this far. So this is how I like to say it. I always enter a trade expecting the price to move down. That's just me personally. I always expect it to move down because I'm always cautious about how much money I place into the market. And I'm going to end it with this, guys. The reason why I say 25, 25, 25, and 25 is if you have $4,000 you want to trade with Bitcoin, this is what I do. I'm doing this with Cardano and Ethereum right now. I have $5,000 each that I'm putting into Ethereum. And I'll prove this to you. Watch this. Because if you guys want to watch this long and you want the education, I'll give it to you, okay? Let's do ADA because I think I'm going to get triggered into ADA first because this is closer. I want this to go down so bad. All right, watch this. Okay, let's go over to Coinbase. I'll show you guys I'm actually trading with real money here. So ADA buy limits are set up at all these different levels. All four of these levels are perfectly associated and correlated to these different buy limits in the exchange for Coinbase Pro. That's who I use. Once I get picked up here, there's going to be $1,200 at each level. That's what I personally put in. But I'm going to make it easy and call it $1,000. If I get picked up here and we head up 10%, great. I've just made $1,000 on my money, minus fees, whatever. 10%, I've made $100, all right? But this is why I want the price to keep going down, and I'm not nervous, is that once the second buy limit is hit, that is another $1,000. So now I have $2,000 in here. Well, what if it just goes up 10% from the middle point? So let me point this out. This is where the entry is. The moment that you guys get picked up on the second buy limit, what happens to your entry? Do you guys realize that your entry actually drops down in between the first and second buy limit because you're dollar cost averaging? That is why I said in the beginning of the video, this strategy always gives you a better entry and your risk to reward strategy always gets better as the price drops. That's why I want it to drop. That's why I'm never nervous about the price dropping. I want it to drop so I can make more money on this, okay? So that is what I mean by, dollar cost averaging, putting money in here at different levels. Equal portions is another way of saying that because as it goes down, your entry gets better as well as your risk to reward ratio. So how low could Bitcoin go? Well, yes, we could see it move down to 19,700, but I think in the short term here, I think we're going to get down to we'll get down to a solid probably 30 to 30,000 mark. If we need a lot of momentum to get down here to 30,000, it is possible. But if we do that, I'm expecting a huge bounce over here at 30,000 to get this market moving and a lot of buyers to come in. So let's see what happens here. But guys, I'm trading here. I'm not going to be able to do videos every single day for Bitcoin, so make sure you guys are updated over here and subscribe to tradeconfident.io. It is totally free. Eventually, I will charge because I'm making you guys a ton of money here. But for now, subscribe. I'm sorry this video was so long, but I think a lot of you guys got some good education out of this. God bless you. The indicators are in the description. Get them today. Get them on your chart. Follow along, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.